Nothing in the panel. Sometimes. But nothing. There, see? It's flickering. Fuck. That shit is deep, bro. Yeah, these screws are super deep. Yeah, these screws. So, these screws are super deep. I can't get to them. Ah, okay. Okay. Jesus Christ. Fuck it. All right. Here we are. That's what that's looking like. Now these are the LCD. I don't know if you can see this as LCDR, LCDL. But how do you check that out? I don't know. Well, let's just make sure it's tight, I guess. ZIF connector. The hell is that? ZIF connector.
Releasing the ribbon from a ZIF connector.
All right. Here. There. That was it. trap it with dust in there. Oh well. Fuck it. Let's go. Nothing. So, we can see that head tracking works, right? But the problem is, oh, no, nothing in the panel. Sometimes. But nothing. There, see, it's flickering. So it tracks, but it flickers. So look at this. This is what's inside. You see it flickers? And sometimes it just turns off.